How y'all doing? I finally get to the farm, the place I need to get to. And I'm not even sure what his name is. Say hi. He's the farm dog. So, it's a little cool outside, so I figure I'll let him in the van with me. And now look at him. I'm giving him a chance, give him a soft bed to sleep in. But he just keeps working all freaking night. He's trying to protect me. Dude, we need to get some sleep. Chill out. He's faster than shit. You gotta see him run one day. Yeah, look at him. Are you gonna go to sleep? Or are you gonna bark all night long? I'm about to let your ass out of this goddamn van.